I will now add a contact form to my DIY website homepage. This is my DIY website. Now enter the admin panel. I'll find the homepage and edit it. Down below, I will use the add section to add the contact form right below the picture. I can do it in between here, but I'll do it at the end, like that. So the contact form is being added. Now, one important thing is that I have to set up an email. So once someone completes the form, an email will be sent to myself. I will save the page and publish it. So the form is already on the page, but I will also go to site options, and on an email the users can reply to, I will specify my email and save. Now the form is ready and on my home page. So if someone completes the form, I will get an email.